guys, a long time no making videos because I just didn't feel like it, but now I do. Today's video is going to be an angel costume because I was at Walmart and then like I just saw this little angel thing and I was like, that's like simple. And so yeah, we're gonna do some makeup and then I'm gonna put on the costume part at the end. Yeah, let's get started. So I'm starting with just my primer. So I've been doing this lately to like make my makeup stay longer and I think it works. So then I'm gonna take this like banana powder and then like press it all in. Then, oh my god, it's getting better. Now I'm gonna set my face. Also, I got a new concealer because I don't know if I got more pale, but this one is just like, I don't know. Oh, and the nose scar is like pretty much gone. Just try to make my face even. Oh my god, look at the difference. Dirty, disgusting, oh my god. And then clean. And then I'm gonna blend it in with this really packed brush. I don't know why, but every time I look at myself and I have no features, it makes me scared. Like I think I look scary with nothing. Then I'm just gonna take a little bit more of this and put it like right on my lid. Then I'm just gonna take the Fit Me and set everything. This is random, but is anyone else like disgusted with Depop now? I literally hate Depop. So now I'm gonna do eyeshadow and then I'm gonna add some jewels on, but the eyeshadow and like eye makeup is gonna be pretty simple still. And I feel like I'm getting, okay, I'm gonna get pretty blue because I'm using natural light, but hopefully like this side is kind of balancing it out enough. But now we're gonna do some eyeshadow, and I'm not really gonna use eyeshadow, I'm just gonna use bronzer. I forgot to mention, this is a sad time for me. Maybe that's why my skin's getting bad, because my friend left me and she lives in LA now and I'm still in Georgia. But oh, I'm just gonna contour my nose now because it's convenient. But before my plans for like college and everything were to stay in Georgia, go to Emory, do that whole thing, blah 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 blah, and I was fine with that. But then I was like, why? Then I realized that I wanted to do that because I'm literally scared to go somewhere else and like money and all that, and I was like, it'll just be easier. And like I have this thing where I feel like if I don't go to the freaking a good school, then I'm like wasting my everything. But I'm literally not, like I can still go to whatever school I want. So now I'm just gonna take this color, and it's literally a Stila highlighter, but I'm gonna pack that all like on the lid, but starting, so instead of starting like here and going down, I'm gonna start like up here and just like, you'll see. So now I'm gonna take tourmaline and I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. I haven't used these in a long time because I keep using the Stila one. Okay, and then over that, because it's like darker and it's not like enough, I'm just gonna take like whatever white sort of shade, just like a lighter, and then just put that over just to add like a brighter color, and then just blend the freak out of it because this is such an ugly place to have harsh lines. I promise you that. I have these little stones in here and I don't know if you can even see them, but they're pretty small. I'm gonna use this just because it's kind of obnoxious, and then some clear lash glue, but don't use a black lash glue. If I see you doing that, I'm gonna just come up to you and then I'm gonna flick them all off your face. Okay, so I saw this girl on TikTok and she did like 1, 2, 3. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. Just like really simple, right? And then for the rest of the eye makeup, I'm gonna just do like a black wing, a kind of thick one. So first I'm gonna do the inner corner with this white color, and then that's the black I'm gonna use too, just like, and then I'm gonna just create like, okay. So I'm just gonna do this on this eye, and I might make the wing a little bigger, but that's pretty much it. The last thing for the eyes is these lashes. Okay, I lied. Actually, I'm gonna put the lashes on, and instead of putting it down on my lash line, I'm gonna put it like up on the top of the wing. Now I'm just gonna line. Now I'm just gonna bronze. And I ended up not putting on bottom mascara because you wouldn't be able to see it anyways. And then you wanna look like a god, right? So you wanna be really nicely bronzed and glowy. I'm gonna do some blush. Okay, now I'm gonna take Summer and go on my nose. Literally do the smallest lines possible, and don't blend them out. I said nothing about blending. Just do it really light-handed and amazing. Yeah, my nose looks so small now. Wow. And then you can do like right there, but like, I don't know, I get sweaty right there pretty fast, so I just do it right on the cupid's bow, like on my lip shape. Honestly, I think I'm done. I think this is pretty good. If there's anything I'm forgetting, speak up. Keep it full, Milani. I kind of just played myself because these are both plumpers. So if I'm like, I think I'm done. Okay, so I'm gonna go put on like the costume part, which is literally like, it's stupid, but it's still cute. So you'll see. I mean, I guess. I mean, can't cap. I mean, this is so cute. I'm like so mad that like after this I'm just gonna go wash my face and do nothing. But yeah, you already know. Definitely try to make a I'm so sorry. I just noticed that the freaking lawn people, they're being on 1000, so this might end up being a voiceover, but hopefully you can still hear me. Finally, okay, so thank you guys so much for watching my angel makeup. Honestly, I think it turned out so good, and it was going a little bit bumpy, but did I ever show that? No, we were going strong the whole time. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, please, and share. And yeah, see you in my next video. It's probably gonna be another like Halloween thing. So yeah, there's another look at the eyes in case. Oh, and I don't even know why I'm trying to talk, but I got this eye makeup look off of TikTok. So if you've seen somebody else do this, it's because they did. But anyways, bye.